Vanshika Jagleen. And in the end, we have Vivek Chaudhary. A louder applause for all the students who have got the Scholar Badge awards today. Thank you, Chairman Sir and Arnab Sir. I would now like to invite Arnab Sir to address the gathering.
Good morning, grandparents, parents, relatives, elder brothers, sisters, younger brothers, sisters. It is a delight to have you back on this winter morning. I like hosting things in winters here more than summers, to be honest. Because winters में पंखे का शोर नहीं आ रहा होता, तो या तो बच्चे बोल रहे होते हैं या मोबाइल फ़ोन. तो मोबाइल फ़ोन से क्यों लेते हुए आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि आपके जेब में जो सारे मोबाइल फ़ोन स्मार्टफोन्स हैं वो आप प्लीज़ या तो उन्हें स्मार्ट साइलेंस कर लें, हो सकता हो तो बंद कर लें. For the most precious to you is with us right now, and a few moments just for them would be very, very welcome. So if you can switch off the mobile phone, that would be absolutely lovely. We have a lot of photographs that we've already taken of the making and some that the professional photographer will take. Like always, these photographs would go on the school website, will be available for free. When your child comes on stage, try to see your child and not the smart screen of your phone. आगे आ जाएं सर, और आगे आ जाएं. The performance from here, I see different groups of people's phones coming out at different times when their child comes out. And they still get to see the child only from the screen. They don't get to see the child live. So let us try to see the child live, and the photographs are going to be available later on. I am not going to say a lot except for A, have a confession with the parents, something that we've been attempting to do this year, and B, talk about my limited knowledge of art. So first, the confession time. I'm sure some of you would have noticed this year we've had more of a focus on ensuring that we get your signatures on the almanacs every day. Some parents have really cooperated with us and helped us in that regard. While some parents do the signatures sometimes, forget sometime, then we remind, and they start doing it again. The logic is very simple. We want you to be in touch with what is happening at school. So it's a fairly simple logic. Some parents are working in advance. We spotted an almanac yesterday where all the empty pages of the almanac were already signed by the parent. तो वो almanac देख के मुझे actually थोड़ा confusion हुआ कि इसमें parent role कौन करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Because logic is very clear. The almanac signature is for you to know exactly what is happening, and we are trying to instill this habit in children and in parents when the child is still in primary. I know it's not my phone, but it's coming from close to my. Okay. Rana sir, this is Nidhi ma'am's phone, and it is here. Please. So, logic is very simple. We would instill this habit right now. This habit will continue. And as parents and school, we would be having a stronger link. That's the basic idea. And we have seen this to work. And not only are we sending negative remarks, we are also sending positive remarks in the same almanac, and we are trying to make this work. Abhigyan is trying to make sure that his seatmate becomes an Eskimo in the jacket. No, it's not going to happen, Abhigyan. So please cooperate with us. The almanac, we need a daily signature. It's only going to take 5 seconds. It's doable. Either of the parent can do it, but please don't do it in advance. It doesn't work like that. The second very brief thought that I had was on the topic today, which is journey through art. And these children are understanding a lot about art that I still don't understand. So in the morning, I had asked for a cheat sheet. I'd asked for a cheat sheet of which painting on the stage is made by which artist and what is it called. I'm not going to spoil the surprise because I'm sure students through their production today would orient you on which art is coming from where. Art as a topic is something that has found importance in more recent times in our society. In fact, yesterday I was speaking with Edward, Sebastian, and Rob. The three of them are sitting here actually, not visible to most people. Gentlemen, can you please stand up and be seen to people who are right at the back. So, three of them have been working with students. Rob and Sebastian have been working with our students here in Nehru World School. In fact, Sebastian, who's wearing green Nehru jacket, has now been with us for 6 months. And Sebastian is going back for Christmas, and Edward is going back home for Christmas as well. And gentlemen, please take a seat. So Edward's teaching at GD Goenka, while Sebastian and Rob, they've been working with our students at Nehru World School. So yesterday evening, we were having this conversation of how when a core subject needs a period, then very conveniently we say, oh, take the art period, as if the art teacher did not have a curriculum to run. So art has actually found relevance more recently in our culture, and art as a form has not just been to just appreciate, but a lot of history has traveled with art, a lot of culture has traveled with art. And the students today, through their production, would try to bring that message across, and would also try to bring this message across to the parents that if I'm actually interested in art, let me do art. Now it is commercially viable as well, with paintings selling for over $2 million. It's a worthwhile profession to take up. It takes a lot of effort, but if they're genuinely interested in art, let them do art, be it music, be it dance. For we live in a society currently where what matters more is, are you good at what you do, than just what do you do. So are you good at what you do is more important than what you do. I had this beautiful experience of this mother-in-law cribbing about her son-in-law. That is not beautiful. But the beautiful experience was the son-in-law was an IIT Chennai graduate. So the marriage happened and both of them were very happy. So this young man, after 2 years of corporate job, left the corporate job and became a tattoo artist. And the mother-in-law was not happy by that move. For she said, my daughter married an IIT Chennai graduate, and I'm not very happy for his move to become a tattoo artist. I met the son-in-law as well, and he was an accomplished tattoo artist. He was going in international conferences. People were traveling to India to get tattoos done from him. He was being celebrated in that art form, and he was genuinely happy. He was making a living out of it. It was probably better than the living that he would make sitting in front of a computer in a New Jersey office offshore. We've arrived, as a country, we've arrived at a point where This is doable, and especially your children who are still in primary. By the time they graduate, they've at least got 7 years of school, if not more, 4 years of graduation, a couple of years more on postgrad. These young people have a lot of time by the time they hit industry. So let us allow them to have their creative pursuits go running, and at the same time enjoy the fact that some of them still make the scholar badges every year. Scholar badges remain important. That is one sure short way of success, but there are several others. So without further ado, let us hope that mobile phones would stay switched off. Parents who've arrived late for the scholar badges and whose children came on the stage before they arrived, we would still give you an opportunity if that has happened. If you missed your child's turn on the scholar badge, please let somebody from the staff know, and we would do that photograph again towards the end of the session. We can't let the child not have that photograph with the parent. At the same time, I would request that next time around, please be on time. It is a very difficult walk for the child to make alone when he sees other children's parents are there with them on stage. For this time, we would make an exception. If you arrive late, we will have that photograph towards the end of the show. I wish you best of luck. I hope you will see your children live and not through the screens of your mobile phones. Thank you for listening to me.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to invite the students of grade 5I to showcase their performance on the Ganesh Aarti. What a foot tapping performance. The school is a kaleidoscope of academic activities, co-curricular activities, and various events. To give you a window in the past 1 year of the school's life, we have the students of grade 3I, 4I, and 5I present the annual school report.
The 24th began 37 years back and aims to provide students an exciting educational experience designed to become a caring, thoughtful, and well-balanced human being. The vision of Enterprise is to strive for excellence today in the order to prepare us to succeed in a challenging world tomorrow. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution. So let's begin with the remarkable result achieved by Nehru Girls School. NWS has upheld passed this year in 2015 CBSE board exam of class 12. NWS has received all its previous year records as 33.33% students scored more than 90% marks this year. 10 students scored 100% marks in math, informatics practices and commercial arts.
The 10 students of Nehru High School have obtained 100% marks this year. Out of 127 students, 40 scored 10 CGPA and 35 students bagged 9 CGPA and above.
After showing competence in board exams, Nehru High School has outshown its splendid performance in various other fields, holding the motto of the school: knowledge, wisdom and courage.
We received the Best Film Award in Costa Dada Sahib Phalke Film Festival for the movie Joy of Sharing in the year 2014.
Indicate the qualities of leadership, commitment and responsibility. The students from grade 1 onwards were bestowed with the honor of being a member of the student council. To felicitate the students, an investiture ceremony was held in the month of April 2015.
Time capsule are a fantastic method of preserving a moment in childhood to be remembered and celebrated at some point in the future. Different types of art were done by the students of grade 1 to 12, statement of the school, old and new photographs, students' message to the future, etc. Work is put in the time capsule. This event will take place every year on the same day for the coming year, and the box that is buried on 13th August 2015 will be opened after 14 years.
Students performed in the grand finale of Bachpan Theatre Festival at Samani Auditorium, New Delhi. We were among the best 8 schools shortlisted from 500 participating schools. The title of the play was Gold, which was based on a short story called Roots by Munshi Premchand and a poem by Sam M. Maswell.
NWS organized the Elite Camp of Lance Foundation Junior NBA Basketball Festival on 21st and 25th November. It is India's largest on-the-road program which imparts technical, tactical and physical training. About 600 students from around 30 schools from Delhi and NCR participated. Following the workshop, zonal matches for the East Zone between various schools of Delhi and NCR were held. Under 16 boys NWS, under 13 boys NWS, under 13 girls NWS and under 10 Mansingh of grade 1 A1 has qualified for the RF Junior NBA City Finals.
Nehru High School got the opportunity to host the CBSE Regional Level Science Exhibition 2014-15. A total number of 43 schools with 73 exhibits where NWS qualified for National Level Science Exhibition 2015. 2 students competed at the national level and secured 5th position all over India. This is the second consecutive year that we hosted the CBSE Regional Level Science Exhibition 2015-16. A total of 78 schools with 126 exhibits were showcased, making it the biggest science exhibition in the city.
We proudly announced our 4th consecutive wins in the Samiksha quiz with NWS being the top scorer. We organized the second Inter-School Festival, Rio 2015. The festival had 15 competitive and non-competitive events in the fields of fine art, photography, public speaking, environment, technology, performing arts, literature, and forum theatre. 1,200 students across 19 schools from Ghaziabad and NCR were a part of this mega event which made it the biggest inter-school event of the city.
World Tour is an annual 3-day event of Nehru World School. World Tour 6 was inaugurated by the President Award, Mr. Ashok Patil, the chairperson of National Progressive School Council. The special delegates for the event were Miss Alejandro Garcia, the cultural counselor from Spain, and Mr. Musli, the political counselor from Iranian embassy, along with 3 teachers of Iranian school.
To instill confidence and lend a great exposure to kids, Healthy Planet organized a number of activities and competitions this year. Students of grade 1 I participated in greeting card making, show and tell, cooking without fire, best out of waste, origami, calendar designing, solo dance competition, fun with races and paper collage making. Students of grade 2nd I participated in animal mask making, origami, collage making, show and tell, poster making, model making, placemat making, fun with races and silent decoration.
Students of grade 3rd I participated in freehand drawing, math quiz, 3D card making, tangram, silent decoration and story writing. Students of grade 4th I participated in freehand drawing, solo dance competition, newspaper craft, science fair, origami, slogan writing and writing competition.
Students of grade 5th I participated in poster making,